protein powder milkshake for my hair for the first time. Guys, if I tell you this stuff work, you would not believe me. Yes, I didn't make it to eat. I made it for my hair. As you guys can see, it was working. I didn't actually believe that this stuff is gonna work. Come, let me show you how I make a milkshake powder for my hair, for protein and also for moisturizer. So here is the protein powder that I'm going to be using on this video. I'm just going to be adding 2 spoons inside my blender, and I'm going to add some mayonnaise inside, and I will be adding 1 egg, and then go ahead and add 1 banana, and then I will go ahead and add some extra olive oil, and then I will add some coconut milk for blending. Guys, I will be listing all the ingredients in the description box for you guys to go and check it out. Guys, when I tell you that this hair mask that I make on this video today is one of the best hair masks that can really help you to soften your hair, moisturize your hair, and give you all that protein that you are looking for. And I'm going to tell you, the first time I made it, I was actually scared to apply the mask on my hair because, guys, I am talking about protein powder, okay? So this is the first thing that, you know, when you are using new thing on your hair, you just be scared if the stuff is going to damage your hair or not. So obviously, I was wrong, and it was softening my hair. When I applied it on my hair, and I started to see result immediately. My hair was so soft, it was so moisturized, and in fact, it was so smooth. Before you apply this mask on your hair, please make sure to wash your scalp, take out all the product buildup that you already have on your hair before you can go ahead and apply this mask on your head. Guys, trust me, if you know that your hair is dry, or maybe you are having a less protein, or you are suffering from a protein deficit on your hair, I will recommend that you try this hair mask. And it's very, very easy to make, and I'm pretty sure you have protein powder in your house. Okay, use any brand of your choice. Just go ahead and add all these ingredients together and apply the mask on your hair, and it's gonna work. If we can eat it, our hair can also eat it. If you can put it on your body, you can drink it. Of course, you can apply it on your hair as well. And it was soft in my hair, guys. I cannot lie you. It was soft in my hair. Like, my hair was so soft. I was shocked when I applied it. It was like the way my hair was soft, because my hair was actually very dry. So when I applied on my hair, and I see that my hair was really, really soft. It was moisturized. Like, it was just, my finger was just going through, and I'm like, oh my god. I've been making a lot of protein hair mask on my channel. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you literally can see that I've been making all these natural ingredients hair mask for my hair. But this one right here was completely different. Like, when I apply it on my hair, as you guys can see, I literally can just pass my finger through. Yes, it was just detangling my hair. It was softening my hair. And even after I washed my hair, guys, my hair was really, really soft. If you know that your hair is protein deficit, just give this protein mask a try. And it's going to help you to give that protein that your hair needed for your hair. And apply the mask on your hair. And after that, just do a massage, a little massage, the way I'm doing right now. Guys, can you just see the coils that is giving my hair? Like, this is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Like, this is one of the ingredients that I have to be adding into my hair care every once in a month. Please do not use it too much. If you know that your hair have a lot of protein, so you don't need to use it too much, but you can use it maybe every once in 6 months, or every once in a month, or every once in 2 months. Just go ahead and make this hair mask, this protein hair mask for your hair, so that your hair will have that enough protein that your hair wants. After applying the mask, go ahead and cover your hair for about 25 minutes. You don't need to leave it too long for your hair. Just cover your hair with a plastic bag for 25 minutes, and you can rinse it out. You can style your hair as usual, guys. As you guys can see, I was even using the mask on my face here. I left this one on my face for about 15 minutes, and I rinsed it out. My face was so smooth, to be honest. It was really, really smooth. Highly recommend this mask for you. Go and give it a try and come and let me know. Thank you once again for watching today's video. If you have watched to this extent, please do not forget to like, share, follow for more, and leave your comment under the comment section. And in the meantime, I hope to catch you all on my next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.